Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am riding down a hill. This is near Hoskerehalli, Bangalore. This is very riskier and the decline is actually more than 45 degree, I guess. I am squeezing my brakes fully. If I just release it, it will be out of control. So you can see how beautiful the view is. If you are liking this video, then like the video and subscribe to my channel, and also share it to your friends. Riding this faster will be fun, but there are two problems. One is this is a dead end of the hill, so in case if my brake fails, then I'll be done. And the second one is the mobile camera stability. If I ride fast, then you won't get the stability and the video quality will be totally spoiled. I can ride fast and I can control as well, but video will not be clear. Since there was no cameraman to record me riding down, I have captured this clip. So you can see that we have come down all the way from this path. You can see how riskier and how dangerous it is. If you have liked the video, like the video and then subscribe to my channel, and also share it to your friends so that they subscribe and support guys.